We've talked a little bit about when you should begin to develop the evidence and to work on your workers' compensation case. But the next topic is, what should you develop in your workers' compensation case? First and foremost, you want to make sure you get the names and numbers and addresses of any witnesses to your accident or to your injuries, whether they be someone who actually saw the accident or whether they heard the accident, or even if you just walked up to them after the accident occurred in an unwitnessed situation and told them what happened and what body parts were injured. It's very important to collect that data early. You want to make sure if there are any video of the event, more and more, much of what we do is captured on video, whether we know it or not. And so many times, there's a tape at a grocery store or a supermarket or out on the docks or at the construction site that may show the actual accident occur and the injuries that you suffered. And it's very important to collect that information and make a request for it before it disappears, because videotapes get erased and re-recorded over with the next day's events. So it's very important to gather that information. And also you need to make sure you have the proper medical opinions or other expert opinions to talk about what your injuries are and that they're work related. It's called causation, and making sure there's a link between your injuries and the accident itself. And especially that can be the case whenever you have pre-existing conditions that were aggravated by the work accident. But in any event, there's a host of information that you need to gather, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's very important to seek legal counsel to get a full understanding of what your rights are, what your responsibilities are, and what you need to do to prepare and successfully win your workers' compensation case.